Hi friends, it's Claire from ScrappyNerdUK and today I do have an unboxing video for you. So I am on the design team for Quirky kits and my kit has arrived, so I thought I would unbox it and show it to you. So it always comes packed in this really pretty packaging, so it's all nicely tied up in a bow. I have my little letter there from Leo who runs the kit club. So every month we get a little inspiration leaflet, some sketches and some layouts and some ideas as to how you could use the kit. It always comes in handy. So first of all, I can see that we have two fairly big dies to use this month. Now I've got a feeling that all of my scissors are in my bag, so I'm going to try and undo this without destroying everything. So let's get the box out of the way. So I'm going to be very careful. I want to undo this because I do reuse the tissue paper. So I'm going to try and take the sticker off without ripping the tissue paper at the same time. And I did an awful job of that, but that's fine. Okay, so let's move the tissue paper out of the way. So what I do every month, or this is a bi-monthly kit, so what I do is I will remove everything out of my current kit box and I will move it over into my Quirky kit leftover box, and then my new kit will go in. So this month Leo has sent me, let's do this because I think this is the main kit. So she sent me the main kit and she sent me extra paper pack of July August custom cards and embellishments from the light kit, embellies from embellishment kit. Okay, cool. So I think this is the main kit, so I'll start with this one. And they always come packaged in these 12 by 12 bags, which I find so super useful. So let me just get these out. So we'll go through the papers first of all, and then we'll do the embellishments. So first off, we have this paper from Pink Fresh. Yeah, Pink Fresh Studio from the Simple and Sweet collection. I love the really muted tones with Pink Fresh Studio. So we have this one here. So we've got Watch Me Grow, goodness. So we've got a bike, some drinks. So just a really summery paper. And then on the back we have this brown, no, like a beigey wonky grid. So that's paper number one. Paper number two is also from Simple and Sweet. Sorry, that last one was called Sweet Life. This one's called Happy Life. So this one's like strips, and they're all just sort of overlapping that way. And then the reverse of that is this really lovely check with hearts and flowers on. Third paper in the kit is from Jen Hadfield, My Bright Life, and this is called Blue Garden. You can see why. Has these little blue florals, and then on the back, which is my favourite, is a blue and navy check. I have a thing with navy, so that was right up my street. So this one here is also from Pink Fresh Studio, Simple and Sweet, and this one's called Good Company. And this one I think is going to be fussy cut and then reassemble back together to make a layout, or actually I might cut some of them out and do something with that. So this is Good Company, and then on the reverse, look at that, it's this heart with is it called concentric hearts? Concentric, where they sort of equal distance, but you can see the heart gradually disappears and it turns into almost a circle. Love that paper. And then we're back to Jen Hadfield, My Bright Life, and these are the 2 by 2 cutter parts, and I love these. If you were low on embellishments, these make great embellishments. Cut these up, have them with your embellishments, and they really make your kit go so much further. And if you don't have much stash, these 2 by 2s are brilliant for that. So that is side A. And then the B side is this black with a white, almost like a pinprick pattern. Bring that to the camera, can you see that? So that one is called Little Thoughts. Then we have this one here from Maggie Holmes, and this is from the newest Willow Lane collection. This one is called Violet. and it's like this mustard colour with circles with a flower in the middle. The mustard isn't my favourite colour, but I'll see what I can do with that. I'm more likely to work with this blue side. I don't quite know what you'd call that one. Sort of, it's almost like a mermaid, like a fish scale, mermaid scale pattern. So I like that side. This is also from Willow Lane from Maggie Holmes. This one's called Blossom. This one's really nice as well. Love the florals in this. And then on the back there is this check pattern, which I also like. And then the customary sort of the customary used tape markings on the side. And then the final paper is one from Carter Bella, and this one's called, is it the Tartan #1 collection? And this one's called Nantucket. So we have this checked pattern, which again is going to be one of my favourites to use. And then on the back, it's a square checked pattern. So you can either use the diagonal or you can use the square. So I love that. And then each kit comes with 3 pieces of white cardstock. She might, Leo might change it up and give you different coloured pieces, maybe a black piece, but she knows that I like to work on white a lot, so she always sends me 3 pieces of white. So let me move those out of the way. Those are the papers for the main kit. So then we have Pink Fresh Studio Simple and Sweet Fabric Die Cuts. So quite a lot of the time we do get full packs. Sometimes where you get so much, you do get like a mixture and you'll get a few bits from each pack. So this one here, oh, we've got some other bits in here as well. Oh, Vintage Pocket Watch Brads from the Islet outlet. Oh my goodness me, these are so cute. Let me bring these up to the camera first of all. Look at these. So I'm going to have fun putting those onto a layout. So there's a silver and a gold one in there. And then we have these, what do they call them again? Fabric die cuts. So I've got Let the Fun Begin. I have Seek Out the Joy and Let It Happen. So I will, and again, with the blue, I'm loving the navy colours at the moment. So we get those. Then next we get these Kaiser Craft or Kaiser Scrapbook rhinestones. These are self-adhesive in a blue, tealy blue colour. So these are great just to tuck in places. Next we get the Pink Fresh Simple and Sweet ephemera pack. There's 52 pieces in here, which is why I do love the Pink Fresh Studio ephemera, because you get so many little bits in these packs. Most of them now you're getting giant bits. So yeah, 52 pieces in there. Next up are these glitter stickers. These are American Crafts and you get 265 in here. So I assume it's a sheet of each. And I don't know if you can catch the glitter. So these are smaller ones, and these are great to make like little subtitles with, and I love the font on these as well. So these are brilliant. And then as an alternative to the alphas, we also get the family thickers phrase stickers. I'm not sure what collection this is from. Heart of Home. So that is the Jen Hadfield collection. So these make some really quick, super giant titles. So that is what we get in the main kit. So as part of the design team, Leo often sends some extra bits to work with. So this is just the oh, so there are some other different papers in here as well. So let me just, so that one's in the main kit, that one is, it's just this one. So this one is, oh no, there's 2. This one again is another Willow Lane one. So this is the 4x6, 4x4. I don't think they're quite the same. Actually, I don't think they are all the same size. But this is a great little cut apart sheet. And again, make some additional embellishments out of those. It's going to be used for this side. I have a love of music. I used to be in a band. And this is going to probably be used for a layout from old band photos. So that is perfect for me. And then we've got My Bright Life, and this is another Jen Hadfield, and this one's called Cup of Tea. and you can see why. And on the reverse we have this lime green and white stripe. Then I have, I'm going to try and do this in an order where it makes sense. So let me just have a little look at the list. So we have the custom card kits. So these are brilliant. So these are designed by Quirky Kits or Crafty Templates, who actually make the Quirky Kits. And these are brilliant project life cards. So if you like pocket scrapbooking, if you like to use cards in your traveler's notebook, these are brilliant. So they're all square corners, so if you do prefer the rounded ones, that's fine, just round them, but I do prefer the square ones anyway. So this is just a small taster of what you get in the custom card kit. So we've got 2 4x6 cards here. Love everything about this, and we've got this blue pattern, and then they're single-sided. Okay, and then I've got a small selection of the 3x4. So today is and days of the week, favourite 5, and then we've got some stripy blue, an August card, the details. You're entirely bonkers, but I'll tell you a secret, all the best people are, and that's a quote from Lewis Carroll. We've got the blue check. I knew who I was this morning, but I've changed a few times since then. Again, another quote from Lewis Carroll. And then a yellow stripy. So these are designed, the colours are designed to work with the main kit. So if you get these, they will complement the main kit. So as I said, I use these in Project Life, my scrapbooking and my traveller's notebooks. These are brilliant. So that's that, and then we've got some embellishments from the light kit. So these are from the light kit. This is the Pebbles flowers. So these are the dimensional stickers. I've seen these floating around and I think they're super cute, so I can't wait to use those. Those are from the Heart of Home collection as well, I believe. Embellishment kit. These are from the embellishment kit. So these are Pink Fresh Studio frames as well, so you get 2 frames in the kit. I think I had 2 from the a couple of kits ago from Pink Fresh Studio. I love these, and they've got stitching on already, so they're all ready to go effectively. And then I've got these bits, which I think extra paper cards, custom cards and embellishments. I think these are from the custom card kit, so you get some embellishments with those as well. These are Prima lace stickers, so they have the days of the week, and then they've got numbers 1 to 9 on them, or 0 to 9. So yeah, just some super cute stickers, especially to use as your dates for Project Life. Then we also have these. These are from Queen & Co, and these are some yellow diamonds. And then finally, the labels that are designed by Crafty Templates Quirky Kits as well. These are brilliant, and these really help me with date stamps, with a tiny bit of journaling. And again, the colours are designed to complement the main kit. So we have some bigger boxes, we have some smaller labels, and then we have a bigger box and a tag one. So that is this bi-monthly kit all together, and I can't wait to get cracked into it and start making some layouts. So thank you very much for joining me today. I hope if you're in the UK, actually, if you are interested, I think she might ship kits abroad. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at the website. I'll leave all the details. Oh, this bag keeps sticking to my arm. I'll leave all the details in the comments section below. If you haven't already done so, then do please subscribe to my channel. I will love you forever, and there's so much content already on there, inspiration, and there's so much more to come as well. And thank you very much. So give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all very, 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 very soon. Bye bye.